benefit wao.
Now, the Kenya Veterinary Association, KVA, has raised concerns over the continued underpayment and underappreciation of veterinary professionals in the country, despite the critical role. According to KVA officials, the government should prioritize the veterinary profession and invest in veterinary services, ensure better pay and working conditions for vets, and recognize their central role in health, agriculture, and food safety.
Veterinarians are very important for the health of the people. So they should give them the facilities and the amenities to control disease in dogs, control disease in animals, other animals like cattle and sheep, so that people stay healthy. So the challenge now is the question of funding. Like take the interns, the veterinary interns get almost nothing, peanuts, What is 7,000 shillings to someone who has been to university for 5 years? But that's what they get as interns.
All right, with that, we've come to the end of this edition of Business Prime. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Have a wonderful night.